Auditioned by Colin Fluxman for How to Read Musical Notation. If you want to learn how to read music notes, then get How to Read Musical Notation. Want to learn how to read music notes? Want to compose your own music? Want to learn more musical symbol? If your answer is yes, then grab your copy of this guide. The How to Read Music Notes guide is easy to follow, uses pictures with labels, and uses simple terminologies. In this ebook, we will help you understand each common and basic musical symbol that you will encounter in reading and writing music. After reading this book, you can impress someone by writing a song for them. Read music notes quickly. You can now relate musically with other musicians. Amaze your friends with your newfound knowledge and skills. Play them a song that will make their jaw drop. Read and play music easily. With musical notations, you can play any music, anytime and anywhere. Jam with other musicians and discuss the music's structure and measure. With music theory handy, you can play any songs that you like without the help of inaccurate tabs. Play and speak like a professional musician. Enhance your listening skills. Play any note by reading notations or just by listening to the song that you want to play. Enjoy composing your own song and music. You can even start your own musical career professionally. With musical notations, it'll be easy for you to succeed at music schools. Click Buy Now to get it now.